Hi, myself Rahul and this is my wife Shruti. We purchased this flat in 2018 and since then we've started searching for the interiors. Wife has searched for a lot of interiors and shortlisted few, but then when we spoke to Jay, he was really professional. We really liked some of his videos on YouTube, and that was like a decision point for us where we've decided to go ahead with Excel. So when we looked into the Excel construction videos over the YouTube, we really liked his work. Our main priority was that we wanted somebody, whom we can trust and who can execute the work without us being there physically. So we wanted someone to take that responsibility and execute that work like it's his own house. When we spoke to him, we have got that trust on him, and that's why we went ahead with Excel. Almost 90% of the work got completed without us being here. Jay and his team are really excellent in doing their job. We only talked over the phone through video calls. When he visited the flat, we've discussed our requirements and he really understood our requirements very well. When we visited the flat first time in the month of June, July, we were really impressed with his work. He and his team have really done a fantastic job. They have really executed, the finishing and the material that they have used since we were not here, we always had that kind of doubt in our mind, how the work is going, how it's progressing, are they really going to finish on the schedule or not. And since we were in the lockdown period, he was really having challenges in procuring some of the materials, but still he did a very fantastic job in getting all the job done on time, getting all the materials, labors, everything, and his team is fantastic. Throughout our selection process, Jay has been very cooperative, very patient. When we wanted to select lamination or if all the artifacts, Jay has been very supportive, very patient.
And he has always given us many options.
Yeah.
Whenever if he suggested options like A and B and we don't like that, then he is always ready with options C and D for us. So whenever we have asked him for more options, he has been very patient. He has always provided us options we needed.
We really recommend Jay Excel Constructions, to design your home. We've really got our dream home designed by him. He has really given us what we have exactly wanted, in fact more than that, and we can now call it as our dream home. All the best, Jay, for your future projects, and we wish you loads of success.
All the best, Jay.